Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something new. We're going to make some polymer clay creations. First of all, we're going to make a FORTNITE Pick Squeak, and it's my boyfriend's favorite pickaxe. So if you guys look at the video closely enough, you will see a green kind of stick thing, a yellow ball kind of thing. I'm really sorry for that, guys. I didn't capture the footage because I didn't even know the camera stopped recording eventually. Again, guys, I'm really sorry for that. But hey, that's not the problem, guys. I recorded the rest of it, and please enjoy this video. Here it is, guys. After baking it, it's been a lot of fun making it. I am really proud of my creations, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Please let me know what you think of it, guys. And if you enjoyed it as much as I did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to be updated with these kind of videos. I hope to make more for you guys. I love making polymer clay creations. It's a new thing for me. And until next time, bye guys.